Hey, I'm Kat. Welcome to Canva Design School. In this course, we're going to teach you how to master social media. Likes, shares, hashtags, algorithms. The world of social media can seem pretty complex, but it doesn't have to be. At its heart, it's a place for us to communicate and interact with one another. It's about building relationships, growing communities of like-minded people. It's in the name. It's all about being social.
For me, I love it because it builds connection. It's a place where you can bring people together from all across the world with shared passions and shared interests. And I actually don't think there's another place or platform out there that you can do that on. It allows you to build relationships with people from all across the world that you probably wouldn't have known existed before.
Did you know over 50% of people are more likely to buy a brand they follow online? So you want to give them a reason to follow you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to brush up on your social skills, the trick is to think about where you are, where you want to be, and how you'll get there. So, are you ready to master the art of social media marketing